Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get cool cursors for your Google Chrome. So first, open your Chrome and let's head to the extensions. Just simply create extensions in the browser and then click on the first link. Simply type mouse cursor and here, click on this. The link will also be in the description below. Simply hit add to Chrome. It can add extension. It will download the file. Okay, once it's done, simply click on this icon for extensions, then click best mouse cursor, and then simply hit on and off switch, just click on. Then now you can choose your favorite cursor. I'll use this Mario cursor for now. Once that's done, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, because I upload these kinds of videos almost daily, and it will also help me a lot. Thanks for watching.